Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about how can you build an effective encryption strategy for your organization. Encryption we are using to protect our data. Either that's we are storing on our systems, on our databases, or end-to-end communication when we are doing, then we need to provide complete protection of our data when it's just exiting our devices, our network, and when it is just reaching to the destination, it should be intact. Okay, so when we are planning to use the encryption strategy for our organization, then what's the steps we should take? Okay, first of all, we need to understand the objective of our company, what exactly we want, what type of data we are dealing, and what's the importance of those data. And this is not like the decision by the one man. Okay, you need to talk to with all the stakeholder, whether that's your management, IT professionals, or the users, or the partners. You need to talk to them and collectively we will decide what we want. Okay, and after that what you can do, then classification of the data is very important. Then you come to know which is important, which is not important. And if that's important, we need to provide the encryption, because encryption when we are doing it is also taking a lot of resources to encrypt the data, decrypt the data. Okay, and provide the importance to our data is very important. So classification will do that task for us. After doing this classification, we understood, yes, this is our objective for a company, this type of data we are dealing, and this is the importance to our data. Okay, now the things comes the key management. The key management, where we are storing our keys, our certificates. Okay, how just we are creating, where we are storing, where how just we are transporting it, uh, or how we are terminating it. There is a complete life cycle of how long we should store it. It must be well documented, well understood. There must be policy for that, because uh, there was a very famous cyber attack due to this misuse of the certificates or the encryption keys. Edward Snowden, that he was just an low-level admin for the SharePoint, and he somehow got access on the keys or the certificates, and he elevated his privilege and become the privileged user. And after just becoming the admin on the sensitive data servers, he stolen those data and exposed on internet. It was really a very big cyber attack, and that was just the not understanding the importance of securing the key, securing the certificate in a proper way, not giving access to anyone. So we also must understand, if those certificates, those keys will be in wrong hand, they will get access to the unauthorized data which they should not. And when somebody will get access of uh, unprivileged, or we can say that's not belong to them, then definitely they will damage. Okay, or finding the right solution for your environment. Every company is different, their business is different, their mindset, their employees, their resources are different. So we cannot say like, okay, this is the best one, just implement this one. Okay, might be that will not work for your company. There are multiple constraints in your company, so you need to find out the correct solution for it, which will work in your environment for you, and try it before implement. Okay, might be your resources, your devices are not that much of the capable who can handle the highest level of the encryption. So use the optimum key size which can easily encrypt or decrypt by your devices. try it before use. Okay, access control is must. Without it, we cannot control who can have access on the which data or on which keys, on which systems. Clear cut decisions. Okay, these are the resources, these are the person or applications who will get access on it, and what level they will access. Complete decision should be there. And we also need to understand the consequences. Once we decide, okay, this is the policy and we are going to implement, we must talk to these policies with our business partners, we are vendors, users, customers, employees. It's with each and everybody, so that they can understand. If you are going to follow these policies, then you can have access on our network. Otherwise, if you don't, sorry, we cannot give you the access. They must understand it properly. Okay, and we also need SSL decryption, because hackers are also using encryption to just hide their malware, hide the whatsoever the data they are stealing. So we must have the SSL decryption method also, which can see the content of encrypted traffic which is passing through our network. Okay, then this way you can create an effective and strong method for using the encryption system in your organization. Okay, follow me on the cybersecurity page and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share the session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can understand about how to build the cryptographic strategies for your company. What things you need to consider. It's not like, okay, just use this method and start implementing it. No, 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 this is not. There is a complete strategy plan for that, and you need to follow it. Okay, see you in the next session. Namaste.